Come on. Hello. Doesn't look too healthy.
No, that, yeah. It's always concerning. But yeah, it looks like something toxic's burning. Yeah, it looks pretty close. Doesn't look that far away wherever this is coming from.
The bank.
The bank's on fire. So they might be well situated for it.
Footsgray. Group Street.
Just left it in his lights. Yeah, so this is Group Street.
Okay.
Looks like
Oh yeah.
there might be anything.
Vehicles up ahead. There's a structure fire.
Yeah.
They probably put it out now.
Yeah, it looks like they've got onto it already.
Now to the bank.
Yeah.
Chemist warehouse.
Yeah, you just have to set up an account and stuff with them, and then in Footsgray, every now and again you see them like around the neighbourhood because they get let out by their owner, and they like just fly back. It's they're so pretty, such big birds. So yeah, getting plans for his cat. A park next to the river where they used to make pipes, and now there's now it's a park with pipes in there.
Pipes.
Yeah, and this is like the old
Concrete
factory.
pipes.
Yeah, concrete pipes.
Wow. Goodness. So, what have we got here?
Lots of pipes, yeah. The little pipes, and there's a big pipe over there. Yeah. Celebrating infrastructure and pipes.
More pipes.
More pipes. But they've been like kind of landscaped in to like different gardens, and there's little mosaics. Yeah, it's pretty cute.
Oh yeah.
You can go through those pipes over there, and those pipes are like
It's like a
making
theme park.
little structure. Yeah, it's like, and there's a tree growing out of a pipe over there.
Oh yeah.
It's pretty funny. It's cute. It's like a unique little park. It's nice they used all like the pipes that were left over from the factory and made it something interesting. Yeah.
Maribyrnong.
Yeah, the Maribyrnong River. Yep. Like a little path down there. But yeah, it's a nice looking park. I'm sure Benjidor would like it.
Made out of pipes.
Bigger.
You have a bike?
Yeah, I do. Yeah. Yes. I feel like it's the best way to get around.
I started using one of those electric scooters,
Oh,
the
cool.
stand-on ones, so they're really good.
Very like easy to get around.
Yeah, they're great.
Oh, there's a river. Yeah, they have a rowing club in Footsgray too, where like
Oh yeah,
people go rowing and stuff.
plenty of rowing where I'm from, Cambridge.
Oh yeah, I remember like going on like one of the boats when I visited.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it must be almost like 10 years ago now. The mosaic of that like looks like a famous paintings. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this museum does still run. I haven't been to an exhibition recently. Yeah, it's nice.
Some more pipe tables and chairs. Very cute. With some
Like little toppers on it.
old acrylic which has turned yellow from the sun.
Yeah, little acrylic toppers. Maybe so they're a bit more comfortable to sit on.
Yeah.
I was here. Oh, it says R.I.P. Nan and Coral. And it sounds like a pet's name. Bella and Bello. Oh, lots of little cute little messages in here.